Welcome to your 30-minute home workout for weight loss. This full-body routine is designed to burn fat, tone muscles, and improve overall fitness, all from the comfort of your living room. You don't need any equipment, just a mat and your motivation. Warm up, 5 minutes. 1. March in place. Start with light marching to elevate your heart rate. 2. Arm circles. Loosen up your shoulders with small, then large arm circles. 3. High knees, alternate lifting each knee toward your chest while pumping arms. 4. Torso twists, rotate your torso side to side to warm up the core. 5. Jumping jacks, get blood flowing and muscles ready for more intense movement. Workout Block 1, Cardio Burst, 7 minutes. 1. Jumping jacks, 1 minute. 2. Mountain climbers, 1 minute, plank position, alternate knees to chest quickly. 3. Butt kicks, 1 minute, jog in place, bringing heels toward your glutes. 4. Skaters, 1 minute, side-to-side hopping motion to engage legs and core. 5. High knees, 1 minute, raise your knees fast, arms swinging for intensity. 6. Fast feet shuffle, 1 minute, light, quick footwork in place. 7. Rest plus water break, 1 minute. Workout Block 2, Lower Body Focus, 6 minutes. 1. Bodyweight squats, 1 minute, stand with feet shoulder width apart, squat deep. 2. Lunges, 1 minute, alternate legs stepping forward. 3. Wall sit, 1 minute, back against the wall, hold a seated position. 4. Glute bridges, 1 minute, lie on your back, lift hips, squeeze glutes at the top. 5. Donkey kicks, 1 minute, on all fours, kick one leg up and back. 6. Rest, 1 minute, deep breaths, sip water. Workout Block 3, Upper Body and Core, 6 minutes. 1. Push UPS, 1 minute, modify on knees if needed. 2. Plank, 1 minute, maintain a flat back, tighten core. 3. Superman hold, 1 minute, lie face down, lift arms/legs to strengthen back. 4. Bicycle crunches, 1 minute, elbow to opposite knee, core engaged. 5. Leg raises, 1 minute, lie on back, raise both legs, control the descent. 6. Rest, 1 minute, recover and get ready for final round. Workout Block 4, Full Body Blast, 5 minutes. 1. Burpees, 1 minute, squat, jump, and push-up combo for high intensity. 2. Squat to kick, 1 minute, do a squat, then kick forward on each side. 3. Plank jacks, 1 minute, in plank, jump feet in and out like jumping jacks. 4. Inchworm walkouts, 1 minute, stand, walk hands out to plank, walk back. 5. Rest, 1 minute, hydrate and prepare for the cool down. Cool down and stretch, 5 minutes. 1. Forward fold, reach for your toes, release tension in your back and hamstrings. 2. Quad stretch, pull one foot behind you, hold, then switch. 3. Child's pose, kneel, stretch arms forward on the floor, breathe deeply. 4. Cat-cow stretch, on all fours, alternate arching and rounding your back. 5. Deep breathing, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, 3 times. This routine is designed to help burn fat, build lean muscle, and boost metabolism. You can do it 3 to 5 times a week for the best results. Combine with a balanced, healthy diet for sustainable weight loss.